I hope after 1 month people will not forget all this.
No. See, I will.
Season.
You will see me working on this for the next 3 months. Tu poitalo.
We'll come back to again.
Yeah.
Time in again parat.
See, when I go for inspections now also, I will invite you. When I go again after next week also, I will invite you. Christmas week, New Year, I will not do the inspection. After that, I will do. But they have to follow the safety protocols. Tourists who is coming in Goa have to be totally safe from everything, not only fire, from anything. Tourist is the people of Goa are living on this industry. This industry cannot die because of some people who have taken money and negligence has been shown आणि तेंका अशीच लायसनां काडून दिली. तेंका ना, तेंका बुक करपाची गरज आहा, तेंका FIR करपाची गरज आहा, तेंका अरेस्ट करपाची गरज आहा.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.